U.S. Money Reserve is releasing the last year of this incredible Type 1 2021 Proof Silver American Eagle coin. Each coin is graded museum quality PR70 and certified first day of issue by PCGS and includes an exclusive specialty label hand-signed by Michael Reagan. It was Michael Reagan's father, Ronald Reagan, who is remembered as the father of modern American silver ownership. Under Reagan's landmark signing of the Liberty Coin Act of 1985, which authorized the production of the first Silver Eagle coins, he changed modern American coin ownership forever. These exclusive Reagan Legacy Series coins cannot be found anywhere else. The Type 1 2021 Proof Silver American Eagle displays a heraldic eagle with an olive branch in one talon and arrows in the other, showcasing the Great Seal of the United States. It also bears 13 stars hovering above the eagle's head, symbolizing the 13 original colonies, alongside the Latin phrase, E pluribus unum. Call U.S. Money Reserve to secure your piece of history today. 1 ounce Silver American Eagle specifications. The year is 2021. Denomination is $1 US. Condition PR70. Grading service PCGS. Metal content 1 troy ounce. Purity 0.999 silver. Mint mark W for West Point. Mint facility and manufacturer US Mint. Issuing country United States. Diameter 40.6 millimeter. Thickness 2.98 millimeter. Obverse designer Adolph A. Weinman. Reverse designer John Mercanti.